You sure it's a good pilot, right?
Yeah, kind of sure.
Come on, man. You know I'm not a fan of heights.
Don't worry. Emily's a great pilot. She was practically born on a plane.
Long time no see, Vincent. How you doing?
Good.
Hey, Leo. Nice to meet you.
You too. So, you're a friend, I guess?
Yeah.
I hear you're a good pilot.
Well, I don't know about that, but thanks.
Okay.
Emily, does this thing fly?
What, does it look like a fucking bike? Of course it flies. Where we going?
Mexico.
Mexico? You gotta be kidding me. That's way too far. I'm not flying to Mexico.
Emily, you know I always pay you good.
If you want to go to Mexico, you're gonna have to pay me way more than good.
We'll pay you double. Just take us there.
Double, huh? You good for that, Vince?
Yeah. Where are you going?
Where do you think? Mexico.
Come on, Harvey. Come on, you gotta believe me. I'm telling you the truth. I would never say anything. I would never do that. You know that, and I didn't say anything. They tried to get me to say something, but I didn't. Because that's not what I do. You know that. You know you gotta trust me, Harvey. I promise. Please. Please.
Let him go.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, God. You're doing the right thing, Harvey. You're good, Harvey. Good man. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will never forget you.
What are you thinking?
We need more men. He's coming.
Got it. Oye, Juan. Dime, jefe. Necesitamos más hombres.
Ya, dale. ¿Cuántos?
Todos.
¿Todos? ¿Pero qué pasa?
No preguntes tanto. Hazlo nomás.
Whoa, wait. What? No! No!
Hey, here you go.
Hey, Vincent. Who is this Emily, really?
Don't even ask. You ready?
Yeah, I just need to fill her up. Help me out.
Sure.
The gas tank's right over there.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is this a good landing spot?
Let me see. Yeah, but it's gonna be a long walk through a dense jungle.
That's fine.
You could also parachute down here. That would get you way closer.
No thanks. I'm not good with heights.
Whatever you want.
Wait, Emily. Do you have parachutes here?
I do.
Hell no, Vincent. You crazy?
Do you know how much time that would save us?
I don't care. I haven't even seen a parachute before.
It's not that hard. You just pull a cord. Right, Emily?
Well, technically, you're right.
Come on. What do you say?
Oh, shit. All right. I mean, how hard can it be, right?
Don't worry. You'll figure it out. On your way down.
Hey, that's not even funny.
Relax. I'll show you the basics before we jump.
Yeah, you better.
Are you being cocky now?
What? No, whatever. Just show me the basics. I got this.
Good. Emily, I'll handle the fuel.
All right.
Sorry, that's just, it's coming with us.
Just get it on the plane, okay?
Got it.
Guys, can you please find my logbook?
Here it is. I'll just give it to Emily.
All right, guys. The plane's filled up. Unplug the fuel line.
Here you go.
Leo, look what I found. Let's play. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Come on.
Where are you going?
I'm done. I don't want to play anymore.
Is it because I'm winning?
No, I've got
I
stuff
can't
to
move
do.
this plane if you don't unplug the fuel line.
Sure, man, whatever.
Vincent, get in.
Come on, guys, get in the plane. We're ready to go.
It was all right. It was all right.
Come on, guys, get in the plane. We're ready to go.
Almost there. Fuck. Enough of this shit.
Come on, guys, we're wasting time. I'm ready to go now. Come on, guys, get in the plane.
You nervous?
No. You?
A little bit. Just enough to keep me focused, you know?
That's good.
Yeah. You know, I've been thinking about your situation with your wife. I might have a solution for you.
Okay.
You should write her a letter.
What?
Look, I don't mean to interfere, but I had a similar situation with Linda, so I decided to write her a letter. And it worked. I laid it all out, and she gave me a second chance. You know? I'm just saying that writing a letter really helped. You know? I mean, of course, it's up to you. I mean, I'm just saying that it worked for me, but it doesn't have to, you know. Anyways, look, I'm just saying it was a good thing. That's all. You feel me?
Yeah, well, I'm not really the writing type.
Yeah. I mean, it was just an idea. It's just... Anyway, congrats on the baby. I'm really happy for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
approaching the drop point! You guys ready to jump?
Yeah! Okay, remember, spread your arms and legs to fall slow and maneuver yourself. And don't forget to pull the chute in time.
Which one do I pull? This one?
Yeah, that one. Like this.
I'm gonna regret this. All right, 1, 2,
Come on,
three,
go!
what the hell? Oh shit! Wait, I can do this. I'm okay. I'm okay. Vince, fuck this! Oh shit!
Hang in there, Leo, I'm
I
coming!
lost my parachute! Vincent, motherfucker! I'm dying! Vincent!
Leo,
Help me!
grab onto me!
Help me! Vincent! God damn it!
Relax,
I'm
Leo.
dying!
I'm trying to help you here.
How come you're so afraid of heights?
Are you shitting me? Are you seriously gonna ask me that now?
Why not? Timing's perfect. Just face your fears, Leo.
You're crazy!
So you're gonna tell me, or should I just let you go?
That's not funny, okay?
I think it is. So,
What?
are you gonna tell me or not?
Okay, I fell down when I was young. Happy?
I wanna know more. Fell down from what?
Come on, man!
Fell down from what?
I fell down from a fucking tree and broke my arm! Stop asking questions!
That's it? You broke your arm?
What do you mean, that's it? I was 8 years old!
Did you cry?
Okay, I've had enough. I'm letting go if you keep asking those stupid questions.
Be my guest. Just keep in mind that you'll break a lot more than an arm.
I hate you, man!
No, you don't.
You got me?
Yeah, I got you, Leo.
Don't fucking drop me!
Just hold on to me, okay?
I'm in it, don't drop me!
I won't.
That was the last time I listened to your fucking ideas.
Take it easy. You're still alive, aren't you?
I'm just saying, I almost died.
No, you didn't. Let's get going.
Oh, shit.
You think Harvey still got the diamond?
I do.
What makes you so sure about that?
I don't know, a gut feeling, I guess. And it's not like it's easy to sell something like the Black Orlov.
I still don't get how the hell you pull that off.
Well, I'm actually good at what I do.
Come on. Hey, get into cover.
Cabrón, está pendejo esta cosa. Oye, ¿quieres un poco?
No, esa cosa me...
There.
la cabeza.
You see, two of them. Yeah. Stay low. Let's flank them. All right.
Mames, incluso dormido estoy alerta. Esto me ayuda con eso. Ay, sí, o sea que, tómale.
¿Qué?
¡Le di a uno! ¡Muere,
They got some reinforcements coming in.
That must have been the last one of those bastards.
Come on. Leo, help me with this.
Sniper!
Just stay low. That way.
Let's go through there. Oh, shit. Vincent, get over here. Nice. The sniper.
Cover me. Crap! More of them! More of them? Leo, cover me!
Looks like that was all of them.
on, Leo. Help me lift this door. Looks like we're not using this bridge. Hey, Leo, come here.
Wait.
Odio los pinches mosquitos de aquí.
More of them! Let's go through the gate. Hurry up. Damn, they're approaching the gate. Hey, Leo, help me with this. All right. That actually worked.
Brute force. Always a winner.